Yes beta, now we will learn how to change 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So my first question is 0, 1, 12 hours. Now 0, 1, 12 hours. Here to change into 12-hour clock time, we will be seeing only hours. Now you see here the hours are only 0, 1. Only 1 hour is written here. Yes, that means here he is talking about AM. How I come to know? Because here the hours are less than 12. And when I have explained you both the clocks, I have shown you that in AM time, a 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock, both the clocks represents the same time. Yes, there is no difference. But in PM, there is a difference. So right now, we will be seeing the hours, and here you all can see hours are less than 12. That means he is talking about AM. This time is in AM. So what we will do? We will write the time as it is. That is 1:12 AM. You understood how I came to know that this time is in AM? Why? Because we will be observing only the hours. And if hours are less than 12, that means the time is in AM. So same time we will be writing, and only I will be writing here AM. Got it? Now see one more question. 1750 hours. Again we will be seeing the hours only. Now you can see here it is 17, and 17 is greater than 12. That means this time is in PM. This time is in PM after 12 noon. Yes, so to convert it into 12-hour clock time, what we will be doing? Simply we will be subtracting 12 from 17. 12 from 17. Why we are subtracting? Because in 12-hour clock time, we are not having the number 17. In a clock, we are having the numbers only from 1 to 12. Yes, so this time, to represent this time in 12-hour clock time, what we will be doing? We will be subtracting 12 from 17. 7 minus 2, 5. Here, 0. So 5 I got. And minutes, I will copy as it is. And since I have subtracted, that means this time is in PM. So time is 5:50 PM. You got it? How I got this answer? Simply I will be observing the hours, and if the hours are greater than 12, that means the time is in PM. And to find the real time in 12-hour clock time, what we will be doing? We will be subtracting 12 from 17. We will be subtracting 12 from 17, and in this way I got the time 5:50 PM. One more question. 18 hours. Again I will be seeing the hours only. Now you can see that this 18 is greater than 12. Again this time is in PM. This time is in PM. So how we will get the time in 12-hour clock time? Simply we will be subtracting 12 from 18. Subtract 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So we got here 6. And minutes are already 0. So 6, 0, 0, what? PM. Okay. One more question. 1250 hours. Now see beta. 1250 hours. This time is written in 24-hour clock time, and we have to write the same time in 12-hour clock time. Do you remember when I have explained you both the clocks? At that time I have shown you 12 midnight as well as 12 noon. When the time is 12 noon, when the time is in 12 noon, in 24-hour clock time also it is 12. There is no difference. Yes, in both the clocks I have shown you that it was written 12 only. And I have told you that from 12 noon to 12:59 PM, time is same in both the clocks. From 12 noon to 12:59 p.m. time is same. And here 12:50, this is the time after 12 noon. How I come to know that he is talking about after 12 noon? Because here it is 12. Here it is 12. He is not talking about midnight. If he was talking about midnight, then here it would be 00. So this main difference you have to remember. If here in 24-hour clock time, here it is written 00, then so he is talking about 12 midnight. He is talking about 12 midnight. But if here it is written 12, that means he is talking about the time after 12 noon. Got it? So this is the time from this is the time after 12 noon. And I told you from 12 noon to 12:59 in both the clocks we write the time in the same way. Only that is, difference is that we will be writing here PM, and in 24-hour clock time we don't write AM or PM. That means we will not subtract anything from hours. We will not subtract here. So we will write the same time, that is 12:50, and I know very well that this is PM. How I come to know that this is PM? Because this time is after 12 noon. How I come to know that this time is after 12 noon? Because here it is written 12. If here it is written 00:50, then he is talking about 12 midnight. But at present the time is 12:50, so he is talking about the time after 12 noon. And from 12 noon to 12:59 p.m. I told you we will be writing the time in the same way in both the clocks. So I have written in the same way 12:50 p.m. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.